Today's thought of the day is, I think, really beautiful. Emotional detox. We always try to do mental detox, social media detox, but this time, emotional detox. It's actually the clearing the mental clutter. So let me have a quick question. When was the last time you cleaned out your phone's storage? Anybody? You can definitely put it in the chat box. That when was the last time you cleared your phone's storage and deleted those blurry photos, old screenshots, redundant apps? No, we are obsessive about digital decluttering, aren't we? But here's the irony. While we are busy organizing our photo galleries, our minds are running like an old smartphone with 200 apps open, overheating and slowing down. So today, we are talking about something we never learned in school but desperately need. That is the emotional detox. So, because just like that fish bowl in your drawing room, your mind is also like a fish bowl. If you never change the water, the beauty inside gets clouded. So let's paint a familiar picture. It's 2 a.m., you're lying in bed, but your mind is hosting a full Bollywood drama. There's the argument with your mother from 3 days ago, still playing on repeat, or maybe mother in law. The anxiety about tomorrow's presentation is doing background vocals. Your ex's Instagram story is making a appearance. And somewhere in the corner, that embarrassing thing you did in class 7th is having a solo performance. Sounds familiar? Now, this is mental clutter, the emotional buildup that happens when we never hit the refresh button in our minds. For teenagers, it might look like carrying the weight of every social media comparison, every parental expectation, every friend's drama, as if it's your own personal burden. And for adults, it's different, but equally exhausting. Office politics mixing with family responsibilities, financial stress dancing with relationship concerns, all swirling up together like Mumbai's monsoon traffic. And we have become emotional hoarders, collecting every slight, every worry, every what if scenario, thinking we might need them someday. And spoiler alert, we don't. So, how do you know when you need an emotional detox? Your mind gives you clear signals, much like your body does when it needs rest. So, the first sign is irritability. Everything annoys you. The way your roommate chews, your mother's daily khana khaya text, the rickshaw driver taking the longer route. Are you not becoming a bad person? Your emotional cup is just overflowing. And the second sign, the mental fog. You can't decide what to wear, what to eat, or even what to watch on Netflix. You spend 15 minutes, 20 minutes just to decide what to watch next. Or decision fatigue isn't laziness, it's your brain saying, I'm running too many programs simultaneously. And then the third sign, emotional heaviness. You wake up tired even after sleeping for 8 hours. There's this undefined weight on your chest, like carrying an invisible backpack filled with everyone else's expectations and your own postponed feelings. I remember a student from Pune telling me, I felt like I was drowning in my own thoughts. I couldn't enjoy a simple cup of tea without my mind jumping to 10 different problems. I know. That thought process keeps on going throughout the day, round and round and round. So, how do we declutter this mental chaos? Think of it as a spring cleaning for your soul. First is journaling. Yes, the brain dump method. This isn't about writing beautiful prose or maintaining perfect grammar. It's about taking everything swirling in your head and putting it on paper. My mind has better things to do. So, one working professional from Bengaluru told me, I write 3 pages every morning. It's like emptying a storage room, and suddenly there's space to breathe. Isn't it? How cool is that? Second, honest conversations. Yes, the courage to speak up. We Indians are experts at saying, सब ठीक है. आप किसी बीमार से मिलने जाओ और भाई क्या हालचाल सब ठीक है. When asked how we are doing. But emotional detox requires honesty. Call that friend and say, I'm struggling. Tell your sibling, I'm overwhelmed. It's not your weakness, it's maintenance. And third, physical release, moving the stuck energy. Emotions are literally energy in motion. So when we suppress them, they get stuck in our bodies. Dance to that Punjabi song like nobody's watching. Go for a walk and breathe like you mean it. Hit a pillow if you need to. Your body knows how to release what your mind is holding on to. We take ourselves, even our emotions, for granted, like we take our breaths for granted. When in the morning, Sejalji says, observe your breathing. Maybe only that is the point during the day we actually realize that we are breathing. And fourth, mindful silence, the reset button. In a noise obsessed culture, silence feels scary. But just 10 minutes of sitting quietly, not meditating, not trying to be spiritual, just being still can reset your entire system. As one teenager from Chennai shared, I started sitting on my terrace for 15 minutes before dinner. My family thought I was being antisocial, but actually, it saved my sanity. And here's the thing about emotional detox, it's not a one time event like a dramatic Bollywood interval scene where everything changes. It's like brushing your teeth, it needs to happen regularly. We wouldn't dream of not bathing for weeks, but we'll go months without checking in with our emotional state. We service our vehicles every few thousand kilometers, but always forget to service our minds. Think of it as emotional hygiene. Just as you wouldn't let dirty dishes pile up indefinitely in your kitchen, don't let emotional baggage accumulate indefinitely in your mind. Regular small cleanings prevent major breakdowns. A mother from Delhi told me something profound, that I realized I was teaching my children to clean their rooms, but not their hearts. And now we have family feeling check ins every Sunday. It's changed everything. So here's your homework, the mental clutter dump. Tonight, set a timer for exactly 10 minutes. Take a pen and paper, not your phone, not your laptop. Write everything. And of course, all of us are graphologists, so we should be giving importance to writing. So write everything that's in your mind without editing, without worrying about spelling or sense. Let it all pour out like a monsoon downpour. So when the timer goes off, write this one sentence. Today, I choose to release what no longer serves me. I repeat, Today, I choose to release what no longer serves me and then close the notebook. Here's the beautiful truth: your mind is not a storage unit for other people's emotions or your own past mistakes. It's a garden where thoughts should flow like water, nourishing what matters and washing away what doesn't. Because in a world that profits from keeping you mentally cluttered and emotionally overwhelmed, regular emotional detox is your quiet rebellion. So clean your inner space and watch how much room you create for joy, clarity, and peace. So, your mental clarity is not a luxury, it's your birthright. So, claim it. So, with that thought, thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you.